Maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later. Issue on TikTok. If you facing this issue, you can solve this issue if you can watch this video completed. In this video I tell you 3 solution of this issue which helps solve this issue. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Mudassir Ramzan. Let's go, video starts. First solution, long press on TikTok application, then click on app info, then click on storage and cache, then click on clear cache and then click on clear storage, then OK. Now your problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, then second method of this solution, long press on TikTok app, then uninstall and reinstall TikTok application. Now your problem will solve. If your problem is not solved, then third method to solve this issue 100%. Go to Play Store and search TikTok application. Then click on update option. Now your problem will be solved 100%. If your problem is not solved, then comments in the video. If your problem is solved, then like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.